So in your box, you're obviously going to get your cabinet, which will hold up to 26 keys. You're going to get a power cord. You're also going to get a wall fixing bracket, complete with fixings. You're going to get 2 emergency keys, which you can use if the power is ever lost to open the cabinet. And then you're going to get 3 bags with 26 of each of a key tag, an RFID tag, and a security ring. And the security ring you're going to put round the keys and through the RFID tag, and you're going to secure them like so.